Welcome to Amsterdam. From Munich, we arrived in Amsterdam with famous high-speed bullet train. Oh, Amsterdam. Bicycle, canals, tulip, green herbs, yellow cheese, red quarter, World War II history, and full of life. Those are more than enough to explain Amsterdam. Amsterdam is Netherlands' capital, known for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system, and narrow houses with gable facades. Legacies of the city's 17th century golden age. If you ever read about Dutch East India Company, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Its museum district houses the Van Gogh Museum. Works by Rembrandt and Vermeer at the Rijks Museum, and the modern art at the Stedelijk. I hope I'm pronouncing them right. Cycling is the key of city's character. And there are numerous bike paths. An interesting aspect of Amsterdam is that the city is actually lies below the sea level. Interesting, huh? But the foundation of the city is the major feat of engineering. Why? Because the city stands on 11 million poles to keep the city afloat. With over 165 canals, it is possible to travel 100 kilometers or 60 miles on the water in the city limits. Also, the city has more canals than Venice, Italy. For a relatively small capital, Amsterdam is the city features the most museums per capita in the world. What a wonderful city. From Amsterdam, we took a famous European bullet train back to Germany, this time Hamburg. Now let's take a look at some photos of Amsterdam. The following images were taken with Fuji X-T20 edited in Silky Peach Developer Studio Pro with Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you in city of Hamburger, Hamburg.